Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if iPhone 16 or 16 Pro can charge your Apple Watch wirelessly. You cannot charge your Apple Watch wirelessly via iPhone 16 or 16 Pro, but you can charge it via a wire, so your iPhone can be the power source to charge your Apple Watch. In order to do it, you need the cable for the Apple Watch that has USB-C on the other end. So I'm gonna plug it into the phone, and then when I place my Apple Watch on top of it, you can see that it starts charging. And I can place it like that, so it charges. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.